Good morning, everyone. Today we are playing along with Cilla and whoever else is playing with Themes on the 13th, and today it's pets. And I have my daughter here with her dog Chrissy, and she called her Chrissy because I got her on Christmas. And I'm going to be using Fall Market from Carta. I'm also going to be using Welcome Autumn from Carta and Fall from Echo Park, and let's see, what is this? Welcome Autumn from Carta. And these are all things that I purchased from the Echo Park on sale thing. Except for I think I might have already had the puffies. Yes, I already had the puffies. So I don't know if I had any of the other stuff or not. I think everything else I got that day. So I've already taken the center out of this, and that's what I matted the picture in. And the picture is a little grainy, but I'm hoping that she can make me a new one and it will look better. So I'm going to be putting this here. I backed it so that it would be easier to work with. And maybe I better have one kind of close to this edge. Okay, and I'm going to have it about 1/2 inch from this edge. And you know I gotta check it out. Make sure I'm straight. Oh yeah, pretty good. Does help to have it that line to on the wood paper to line up with. And then I have this paper that has the pumpkins on this side, and then it's got that beautiful blue on this side, or it's kind of a turquoise. And I want it actually all the way over to probably here. And I think that's probably our spot, as long as it's straight. Looks like it's straight. Okay. And then I'm going to put her right around here. And let's see. I have this little, and I think these are not stickers, they're just chipboard. And I don't know how I've scratched this paper too. It's like, I don't know how I managed to do that. Let me see if I can buff it out. It's like, you know, I've had it for a total of, 2 hours. No, that's right. I need a new one anyway, so I'll do that later. Okay, so I'm gonna put this probably about there because I'm going to stick, I made some flair today. And that's what I think. This is either fall or winter, but I'm going to go with fall because I made these flare. I made these pumpkin flare, and it's like, I want to use those, so I'm just going to use, that's what I'm using. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to tape that down. And putting it probably about there, and I gotta keep track of my ruler. It's always trying to get away. It's always hiding on me. Becoming invisible. Okay, I think that should be good there. Then I'm gonna put this little bench here. And I'm gonna, I like to overlap the picture. And then I'm going to put this flare down here. And I really wanted to use a turquoise flare, but I'm right on the turquoise paper. Okay, so I'm gonna put, let's see, I think I'm gonna put the orange one needs to go over here. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put maybe the gold one here too. Maybe go in another direction. I just want it to look like blue underneath the bench. And these are Puffies. And then I'm gonna stick this one over here. Okay. And then I'm gonna work over on this side, and I have, from the sticker sheet, it says Harvest Farms. And I'm gonna just leave it far enough away that it just kind of overlaps the picture. And then I have another Puffy. And this is gonna overlap the milk bucket and the picture. My dad always had a couple of milk buckets, and he painted everything blue. I had a blue wagon. He had blue cars. He worked at General Motors, and he'd just bring home, you know, like leftover paint or something. And it was always blue. Okay, and then I've got a flare that's a leaf, and I really want to put it up there, but I don't know. It's a lot. Maybe down here at the bottom of the pumpkins. I think there. Okay. And then I'm going to call it, I'm going to call it Aw Prints. No, I'm going to call it Paw Prints. Now it's stuck to a flare. Okay. And this one, I have it on the thickers thing because it was more sturdy, and I'm using these thicker letters. So I thought I need to have it more sturdy so I could move it around, because I think I need it maybe about there, and I don't know if this one will roll on quite as easy as that other one. Nope, but close. Actually, that did pretty well. Now I'm gonna call it Paw Prints, and then I'm gonna put a heart. Okay, where's my tweezers? I just work better with the tweezers. Maybe. See, I thought since I had that guide, I could just put them down. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, and then I also punched a heart out of the wood. And then I'm going to put this here. See, I think I need it over a little bit more, because it's kind of like, I'm kind of making it fit with my word here. And then I've got an acorn. You know, I made the flare. I just have to play with them then. It's like I kind of forget about the flare, and it's like as soon as I make them, it's like, oh, gotta play with that. Okay, and then I have one of the gold gemstone flare, or They're supposed to be brads or faux brads. So I'm going to put those here. And then I'm going to use some of these puppy prints and put them on the heart, and I don't know which ones I want. I'm kind of leaning towards these ones, but Samoyeds, they're big dogs. So do I want to use the black ones? I don't know, I kind of want to use the black ones. Maybe like this. Because you know, pets leave paw prints on our hearts. So that's what I thought. And then I will like maybe put the date that they got her. And I think it was 2004, because I think it was the year before we got Brenna. Okay. Okay, and I considered putting this over here, but then I think I'm over flared. So I think that's it. And then I'll be writing underneath here her name, and she was Chrissy. And then putting a little bit about her. Otherwise, maybe just her name and date that they got her. So that's it for today. And, oh, I forgot my eye on prints. So I will have a, the little picture that you've seen when you've seen this video, that's what people have. We don't actually have a list of people that play. She just said anybody who wants to play, and then use this little thumbnail. So that's it for today. I will have close-ups at the end, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.